We're back with another video. We're really breaking records over here now. Is that 3, 4, 5 videos? I don't even know. Alright, 4 videos. I thought it was 5 already. Well, 4 videos back to back. And we're gonna keep going too. So today we have a couple things. Couple window stickers in the back, which that should be easy. Headlights, yesterday we got the bulbs, but it was already too late. It was already dark. So we're gonna get the boring stuff right now over with. Simple, just put the bulbs on there and we should be good. So yeah, we're just gonna speed through this, put the bulbs on, and hopefully both of them work and we don't have any shortages or anything like that. Forward, we finished the headlights finally. Spray painted the inside of the headlight in here because there's like a weird gap, which I could probably fix too, but we're being too lazy right now. There's like a little gap right here, which on the other side it does have a gap but not as big, and there's like chrome inside, so I just spray painted it black. Now you can't really even see the gap anymore. So yeah, now we're gonna head over to the back of the vehicle because we're gonna be installing this on the back window, and on the other side we're gonna install this in the middle, and then we're gonna create our own Mexico flag. So American flag on one side, which is gonna be the driver's side, because we're American, because we're American and we're proud to be in America too. I'm proud to be an American. And Mexico side because we're also proud of our roots of Mexico, where we come from, where our parents come from and stuff like that. So best of both worlds. So yeah, we're gonna start out by cleaning the window, and then we're gonna place it. Give it a quick wipe. I don't know. Probably guess it. Oh, SLT. Another hint. I don't know about you guys, but when I clean windows, I know a lot of people use rags and like stuff for the car, but I think windows clean better with either regular paper towels or these blue mechanic paper towels. They work a lot better. Rags, I feel like they just smear. They smear like Luis's underwear. So yeah, the windows are blacked out already, tinted. So matte black flags on either side is gonna look, I don't know, I'm a big fan of gloss black and matte black. That looks twack, huh? Right there? Yeah. Alright, if we fuck it up, it's gonna be your fault. What? If we mess it up, sorry. If we mess it up, it's gonna be your fault.
How?
Because you told me that looked perfect right there.
Oh, you're putting it straight on.
Or what? How should I do it?
Yeah, I don't know.
You either go big or go home. Can't be a bitch about it. I mean, nah, let's just fold it and alright, I'm gonna try to do this alone. I don't need your help, Luis. You just hold the camera.
I have to get these angles.
Right, because I'm gonna fuck it up. You're at the perfect angle where I fuck it up. I think that's good enough. I don't know, because the window is slanted. Right there, look. Oh.
That didn't work out.
I think right there. Oh, does it look slanted? Oh. Oh, fucking tree. fucking tree.
Just up and down.
Damn it. Bruh. This transfer tape is garbage. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have a shitload of bubbles right here too. Yup.
Pretty cool though.
Yeah, it's fixable though. It's fixable. It is fixable. So we finished this side, American. There's a little imperfections like right here and right here, but that's due to the transfer tape. I hate that transfer tape. But yeah, let's go over to the other side and do the Mexico side on the other side. Technical difficulties just because we're trying to use some old wrap that we had right there, but we'll show you guys the finished product right now once we're done.
There.
All right, guys, we still don't have a mic because we haven't replaced the battery, but hopefully you guys can hear. We're on the last stages already. As you can see, we applied the wrap on this side and we cut it so it's straight. We're gonna do the same thing. We marked it with the tape, same angle, same everything. We're gonna use a flexible ruler. Hopefully we don't lose it. We keep losing everything, literally everything. Oh, I was gonna say where's the exact one. But yeah, last cuts and then we should have the Mexico flag on this side. Alright, we just did the last cut and now we have a Mexico flag on this side. And we have an American side on we have an American flag on this side. That is it for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, do all that. We're breaking records over here for videos in a row. Yeah, we're gonna leave you with a small couple seconds of cinematics of the flags, and then we're done with this video.